Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this pack of 3 kitchen tongs. These are great because they are a variety of sizes, so you can do whatever you're wanting to do. You've got the 16-inch, you've got the 12-inch, and you've got the 10-inch. These are really nice because of the way that they are designed. Now I'm going to bring you in here and show you a lot of the features here. One thing is they don't have a spring, so you're not going to get that fatigue as you are moving them in and out. Like you're not doing weights while you're trying to cook. So that's really nice. The handle is super soft. Like it's not hard. It's got a nice silicone lining on here and it fits your hands really well. So I'm going to bring you in here close so we can take a look at these. So here these are up close. They are a 304 stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or having any problems with that. It's nice steel at the bottom. And then you've got your plastic and your silicone. It does have a little grippies here at the top. And then it does, like I said, it does have a nice soft area here. There's no springs, yet it kind of stays open just a little bit. If you did need to grab something, you're not also forcing it. So that's really nice. And with all the different size differences, you can either get into a big, large pot, grab something out, or you get it to a little tiny pot and use this little 10-inch guy. Fits really well. These are nice little tongs for any kitchen.